Alright, we just got back from Mann Lake. We got the 2 Russian nucs and the package and 7 queens that we ordered, and we picked up an extra while we were there for, oh, I don't remember the Hive 11, I believe. Frankie is labeling all the hives so we know what we're talking about. And we spent entirely too much money while we were there, and could have spent a lot more. We're gonna try to see if we can figure out which queen is what. They weren't labeled the very best.
We know this one's a Russian.
Is there any markings on it? No.
No. So we got 2 Russians in here, 2 Carniolans, and 3 Italians. That one has an R on the back. I'm assuming Russian. That one don't have anything on the back. Nothing on the back. So we have 3 with nothing on the back. I'm betting those are
The Italian.
The 2 R's is probably Russian.
And then the 2 green cages are the Big C.
We're missing one.
There was 2 of them in there.
It's in there. How did I miss that a second ago?
The lady that gave it to us missed it too.
I guess that's why there's a C on them. So those are Carniolans. Or Carnies for short.
Or Big C for people who can't talk.
So,
I think we should do them together.
she's wanting to be friendly. You see her on the camera? Say do them together. Both ends of this stand is going to be Russian, and the middle one is the Carniolan package. You want to do 2 Russians on there?
Okay, make it all Russian except for the middle one?
Yeah, so then we have one more Russian. We can put it down there in that one, or we can put it as the first one there. Probably do the first one there. We'll put Italian down there since there's already Italians down that way.
Sounds like a plan to me.
So
You want me to take one?
we're just taking one down there.
Yeah.
I do want, or don't like that one, I don't know which.
And the queens are teeny tiny.
The hive tool's still in the truck.
Go truck?
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna double check for a queen. After realizing, or looking at those newly mated queens, probably ought to look a little closer because I'm used to our queens that are great big. That's all. They've been loading this. I hear piping. Or is it that one?
I don't know, I thought I heard a piping yesterday.
I definitely just heard piping. I don't know if it was that one there or these down in here. Come on, I don't want to smash any of y'all. They've put a lot of nectar in here since yesterday.
You missed the swarm cell.
Is this the frame we put in here yesterday?
Has it got fresh baby eggs in it?
Yes.
Then it might
Actually,
be.
yeah, it is because it's second frame in.
You gonna get the swarm cell?
I don't have.
Flip it over, I'll pick it out. That's not horrible.
Where was it? Oh, there it is. So there's fresh eggs in there, but that's very possible. Actually,
We can go back and look at the video.
I don't think that is the one because there's a lot of fresh eggs in the one we brought over. There's a lot. Where are they getting all this nectar from?
Flowers?
Well, something recently started.
Look at that drone. Over here. That's huge.
There's several.
Yeah, but he's a big boy.
For being a split, there's quite a few bees in here.
Another swarm cell. Since yesterday.
No, that was in there yesterday.
Why didn't we take them?
Because we wasn't sure what we was doing yet.
Hold on. Yeah.
Oh.
We're gonna have to get one of them mailboxes and put it down here and put like 15 hive tools in it.
We've got 4 or 5 of them right over there in the truck.
Yeah, but that's way over yonder.
It's a drone.
That's a pathetic looking drone.
So, unless I see a queen real soon, we're dropping that Italian queen in here. So, this was a split that we made that had multiple swarm cells, queen cells. She should have been back from her mating flight by now. We have seen no evidence that she made it back. All the bees on here.
Yeah.
So yesterday we was debating on giving her, or giving the colony a queen or some more brood to try to make their own queen. We was at Mann Lake this morning, and when we went to check out, there was queen sitting on the counter. So we brought a new queen home. It was telling us to go ahead and buy one because it was sitting right there in front of us. So they're getting a queen from Mann Lake.
From the looks of it, they're okay with it.
So I'm going to pop the cork out of the candy end. Hopefully without much issue. Always tear these things up. I'm going to try to place her between a couple frames. And they'll release her when they're ready. They let me get down in here with it. So it's wedged in there. Kind of want to give her a little more room so they can feed her. I want to press it down into the wax a little better. I'm going to leave it a little bit of space so they can get to her. So we'll be back in a couple days. And apparently I just smushed a couple bees. And they don't like it now. We'll be back in a couple days, make sure they released her.
Alright, till next time, God bless.